Krizansky dan Alpha Kalpiko as a speaker.
Mission Repurba as a speaker.
My name Al-Fajrul Hakam as a speaker.
My name is Petrison Selawan, me as a speaker.
My name is Tengku Irsad Ramadan as a part of video editing and video recorder.
My name is Andika Wesaputra as a speaker.
I will explain what the project will be. So, the project that we will make is a simple calculator that we will make from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript programming languages.
Step 1. Create HTML structure.
Start creating the HTML structure so we can start building our calculator.
Step 2. Create button and design calculator.
Create the initial shape of your calculator by adding the display of the calculator button.
Step 3. Design the calculator and its button key using CSS.
Connect the CSS file with our HTML file so we can start designing and then design the shape of the calculator and the button on the calculator using CSS.
Four, make a box for the history of each calculation. Then design the box for history using CSS. Step 4. Add a history box to our HTML file and then go to the CSS file and then start adding the design for the history box so that the calculator can look better.
Step 5. Create a function to calculate each number entered after clicking the symbol equals to. Step 5. Connect the JavaScript file to your HTML file so that the calculator can perform calculation or function. Go to the JavaScript file and create the following function. Function event character is useful for adding numbers and symbol when the calculator button is clicked. Function clear display is useful for deleting everything on the calculator display and starting the calculator with the number 0 when the clear button is pressed. Function delete last is useful for deleting the last number or symbol on the calculator when the delete button is pressed. Function calculate is useful for calculating the result of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division that the user enter when the equal button is pressed. Function is valid expression is useful for checking is the last line on the calculator is a symbol or not. If it is a symbol, then the user must enter a number after the plus, minus, multiplication, and division symbol. Or not, then the calculator will not be able to calculate the amount or result. Function format number after calculate is useful for checking if the addition result from the calculator is none or an error, then the calculator display will return to its original state. Function format number with commas is useful for formatting the number entered into the calculator. Every 3 digit entered into the calculator, a comma symbol will automatically be added.
Step 6. Create a function so that after each time you make a calculation, the calculation history will appear in the history box. Step 6. Go to the JavaScript file and create the following function. 1. Function toggle sign is useful for checking first whether the sum number is minus or positive. 2. Function format datetime is useful for creating the current date and current time that will be displayed in the history box. 3. Function add history is useful for adding addition question and the result of the addition into the history box every time the equals button is pressed. 4. Function format number with commas for history is useful for formatting every 3-digit number by adding a comma in the history box. And this is the result of the work we have done. That's all from our video. Thank you.